So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from TechDude, and in this video we are going to talk about Android 16. Google is going to launch Android 16 sooner than they expected, along with Google Pixel 10 series. So this time Google Pixel is going to launch the 10 series before the iPhone launch. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And for this video we are going to aim likes around 100. So if you like this video, the algorithm will push our videos. So that's it. So let us dive into the video. Android 16, Google is going to launch Android 16 sooner than they expected. They are developing this Android 16 privately. Previously they used to do with AOSP. It's nothing but Android open source software which used to help in making custom RAMs as well as other brands UI to make their necessary changes. So this ASOP changes will be done later, but Google is adding lots of features as well as they are making lots of improvement in this Android 16. I know they are not that great, or they are not that breaking changes, but you will see here and there improvements as well as here and there advantages, and they are just refining the software. They are not making great changes in terms of looks, and you will not observe so many key changes in terms of aesthetics as well as user interface. Everything will be remaining same, but they are going to make functional changes in terms of this Android update. So these are some of the key updates which you can see in this Android 16. First of all, live updates. So if you are someone who orders lots of stuff in Blinkit, Zepto as well as Zomato, you can see direct live updates in the notification panel when your order is going to arrive at your doorstep or at your office. You will see live updates in the notification panel. And another major thing is that the live update notification is a kind of a replication for dynamic island. As you can see in Apple, it gives lot of updates in terms of delivering products. In terms of food delivering apps, as well as it may show little bit animations while face unlock as well as while you are recording an audio. So it will be a direct replication for this dynamic island. So another major thing is that customization. You can see lots of updates in terms of widgets, lock screen, wallpaper, as well as Google is going to introduce lots of themes in terms of this Android 16 update, and everything is going to be minimal as well as crisp. It will add so much aesthetic value to a smartphone that it looks appealing. So another key update which Android 16 is giving is that health tracking as well as health monitoring. Nowadays you need an external device to track sleep as well as workouts, and to know how many calories you have burned during the workout. But due to the update of this Android 16, everything will be taken care by your smartphone rather than your smartwatch. So it is going to replace your smartwatch, and it's gonna make your life easier and simpler. Another update in this Android 16 is that a battery, Android 16 is going to especially work on battery optimization as well as battery lifespan. So it will increase the battery longevity, as well as it will also help you to give a better screen on time as well as a better charging optimization. So another key feature will be HDR screenshots. I know it's not that fancy feature, but it's an useful feature, because nowadays the screenshot resolution is not that great, because everything is like if you share a screenshot to someone else, the clarity may drop, but due to this additional feature called HDR screenshot, the screenshot will have better quality as well as the texture of the text will be more crispier. So it will be helpful for another person to go through everything clearly. So yeah, another major improvement will be also in the notification center. So Android will be smart enough to prioritize the important notification first, and they are going to categorize according to the spam notification. First they are going to show up all the important notifications which are necessary, then they are going to show all the spam notifications, so that it makes our life simpler. Instead of clearing everything, you can just go through first three important things. So yeah, it is not that major update, but it's a functional update for guys like me. So this will be an hand handy feature for the guys who use foldable smartphone. Android 16 is going to introduce the adaptive apps. Like if you see, if you use your smartphone in normal version and then switch to foldable version, you may see restart of app. I mean, the Android will relaunch the application into complete foldable version to normal version. To overcome the issue, they are going to introduce this adaptive apps feature, so that it feels more optimized, as well as it saves lots of time. For example, if you do, I mean, if you open some graphic intensive apps as well as productive intensive tasks, you may see quite like you may find it quite annoying, because your app will restart when you switch from normal version to foldable version, so it won't be annoying anymore because of these features. I know it's quite handy and it's quite useful too. Another feature which Android 16 comes with is that API enhancement feature. Like it will help you to optimize your images quality. Maybe it may be from pictures you may click from your smartphone, or the videos you may capture from your smartphone, but it will going to enhance the clarity as well as picture quality, which will give you better images rather than these images filled with grains as well as with a lower resolution. So yeah, it is going to just optimize the images through software. Another major as well as important thing is that it will come with better security updates. Now this Android 16 will come with an updates where it will recognize spam calls as well as spam messages, as well as fraudsters. Not only messages from spam accounts as well as fraudsters, it may also detect calls from fraudsters as well as scammers, which will increase the security of an Android ecosystem overall. And that's it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.